And that's what's going on in the Arctic tundra. Now let's go live to Allison in the Amazon rainforest. Allison? Thanks, Chet. I'm here in the Amazon rainforest, and to be expected, the tropical climate has made this a very humid day. And as you can see by this chart, it's going to stay this way all year, with the most humid parts in March and the overall warmest temperatures in October. Sure is different than where I'm from. The Amazon rainforest is home to many beautiful and unique plants and animals, like the beautiful kapok tree.
I'm the kapok tree, and I provide food and shelter for many different plants and animals of the Amazon. I also provide quick transportation for animals so they can stay away from their predators.
And are home to many creatures. Like the howler monkey. Have a seat.
I'm the howler monkey, and I am the loudest mammal. I live with my family in the trees. We enjoy eating bugs and grubs. I keep the population of bugs and grubs down so they don't take over the Amazon.
That's very interesting, howler monkey. I had no idea you were the loudest mammal. So that there's a toucan around. Bye, howler monkey. Bye.
I am the toucan, and I keep the population of insects and small lizards under control. I consume various fruits as well, so I am considered an omnivore. After I digest the fruit, I deposit waste and spread the seeds so they can repopulate. I nest in hollow trees created by woodpeckers that have abandoned them.
Thank you, toucan. As we move around the Amazon rainforest, we see many animals and plants, like the amazing banana plant.
I am a banana plant, and I create food for animals that reside in the Amazon. I am mostly found in the tropical region.
Great. There are also poinsettias.
I'm a poinsettia, and I grow as bushes and small trees in the tropical climate. We are specialists and help humans cure fevers, and the red leaves are used for many dyes.
Yes, you are very important to humans. Speaking of humans, we happen to be one of the leading disturbances of the rainforest.
Hi, I'm what is known as a disturbance to the wild. I cut down the trees to benefit us humans, leaving animals without food, transportation, or shelter.
Wow. Now let's talk to a member of one of the species who are losing their homes due to these disturbances, like the tree frog.
I'm the tree frog, and without me, the insect population will be out of control in the rainforest. Most of us live in trees, but not all of us. Some of us live in ponds.
Thanks, tree frog. Now let's talk to a natural disturbance.
I am known as a natural disturbance, and I am what happens when there is a lack of water. This is bad because animals who live in the water can't live there, and also plants and animals don't have a source of hydration.
Now let's talk to another natural disturbance.
And I am another natural disturbance known as fire. I destroy wildlife all over the Amazon whenever I come to town. I leave nothing but ashes in my wake. Nothing left for the plants and animals.
Well, that sure is bad for the rainforest. However, the tropical climate can't help with these problems. Now let's go to sun and rain and talk about the climate. First, let's talk to sun.
Hi, I represent one of the Amazon's most prominent climates, humidity. I leave a hot, sticky, and sweaty feel in the air. I am the perfect climate for all of the plants indigenous to this region. The animals here have all adapted to the heat I bring.
Rain.
That's great, sun, but I'm the rain. The most important part of the rainforest. I make sure the Amazon always stays damp. The wet climate is important to fight fires and keep all the animals hydrated and plants alive.
Interesting information, Sun and Rain. Now let's talk to one of those plants that the rain keeps hydrated. Cacao.
Yes, the rain does keep me hydrated. I am the cacao tree, and I provide food for animals and humans. I make chocolate.
Well, that's great, Cacao Tree. On behalf of chocolate lovers everywhere, thanks. Us humans also like coffee.
Hi, I'm the coffee tree and I make coffee. I don't really do much of anything else except for provide oxygen for the plants and animals of the Amazon.
Green anaconda.
I'm an anaconda, and I live near swamps and streams. I also hunt and partake in cannibalism.
Okay, well on that note, let's go back to Chet in the newsroom. And that's what's going on in the Amazon rainforest. Now let's go live with Barb with weather. Welcome to Book Talk with Chet. Read my new mystery romance novel. I star on the cover as Pirate Chet. I don't know what to say, honestly. My book recommendations will make you say, thanks, Chet. Amen.
Oh, why did you just say you're wetting your dorm?
Toucan. Okay. Lucky. Okay, I think are you ready? And our home to many creatures. We're never gonna get this out.
The loudest mammal.
Loudest mammal. I thought that was my mother-in-law.
We enjoy eating bugs and grub. I keep the population of the bugs and grub down so they don't take over the Amazon.
That's great.
What was like if you get the graffiti in the background of that shot?
Like, it's funny.
Hold on, I'm gonna get YouTube now. Oh wait, you obviously saw me put that behind me.
Okay, if you don't get it this time, we're not.
Ow! I saw my tail.
My beak!
I'm recording this for a blooper.
I worked so hard on the beak. You're worried about the beak. I'm stuck. You'll live. You're a toucan. They got 9 lives.
I think that's a two-bird.
Puffed into the microphone. Good? Wow. Okay, it's good, it's good. Thanks, Tree Frog.
Wait, no, say I'm just like hating myself. Why did you get so close? Because you made a funny face.
Oh, memories.
Do we want? Oh my god. Do we want sun and rain?
That's
so
actually a really
pretty.
Cool shot when you did that with the graffiti in the background. It looks like an ad for.
Oh my god, it
probably-
really
Or
did.
like for Urban Outfitters.
Well, that's it. Hold on. Okay, ready? Hold on. Hey.
Oh my god. Okay.
Who are losing their homes due to these disturbances.
Boo! Disturbance. Boo.
Okay.
A really pretty picture of this sign.